For more than 1,000 decades, folks have been drinking tea. Even nowadays, tea is mostly consumed as a beverage by steeping entire tea leaves in very hot water. It's even out there in considerably less pure kinds like tablets and capsules. On the other hand, majority would not realize that the most effective way to obtain the many health benefits of tea is by basically consuming the leaves and never to drink green tea. It would feel like a new and weird strategy, but a number of reports and researches are proving that carrying out this raises the advantages noticeably. If you brew and drink green tea, it turns into an exceptionally flavorful and aromatic beverage that would soothe the body and mind. People delight in one or more cups a couple of moments every day for flavor and well-being. However, when tea leaves are filtered or taken off in the brew in advance of drinking, a great number of vitamins and minerals are literally removed as well. The strength, intensity, and effect of tea will raise for those who had additional leaves and not by infusing it for a prolonged time frame. Green tea specifically is stuffed with flavonoids which can be mixed of antioxidants that flash the byproducts and waste from the human body. Several research revolving around green tea target the catechins, which happen to be included in flavonoids and composed considerably from the vitamins and minerals from the leaves. Green tea is mostly consumed to possess more catechins. The bottom line is, consuming tea leaves offers you 8,000 to 10,000 additional antioxidants. In contrast to brewing and consuming leaves, the entire leaf should be eaten to get considerable well-being results. A lot of the things that you can get more from ingesting the leaves and to drink green tea consist of epitectin, epigallocatechin, epicatechin, 3-gallate, epigallocatechin, 3-gallate, theaflavin, 3-digallate, theaflavin, 3-gallate, thiarubigins, quercetin, miracetin, and camphorone. Each one of these enhance around 10,000% in the event the leaves are eaten. You can also find flavonoids that boost by 4,000 this sort of as the theaflin 3, gallate, and catechin. There's certainly no difference in regards of getting luteolin and apigenin. There's also differing types and variants of green tea relying on the company, the placement, plus the processing. To get the entire health advantages of the item, you need to put together tea leaves that are of top quality and therefore are qualified organic and natural. Currently, being natural and organic signifies that increasing and cultivating in the tea plants ended up carried out in the very best circumstances, free of pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. These chemicals then won't be consumed through the individual at the same time. Various other variables when expanding tea crops might also have bad effects on the quality these kinds of as crops exposed to harmful soil runoffs, polluted rain, publicity to toxins and chemical compounds, and publicity to unsafe gases in close-by areas. Discover the proper resource and provider to consume or drink green tea. Usually there are some preferred natural and organic farms which have been conveniently found away from chemical and industrial plants. Apart from flavonoids and catechins, eating whole green tea leaves will even present you with more nutrients by a sizable scale. Protein raises by 4,000%, calcium by 19,000%, iron by 10,300%, and tannin by 4,200%. Other considerable raises incorporate fiber, vitamin A, phosphorus by 3,300%, vitamin B1 by 2,900%, caffeine by 2,100%, vitamin B2 by 1,800%, niacin by 1,900%, and potassium by 1,400%. Ingesting green tea renders zero fiber and vitamin A. In the event you plan to take in green tea capsules, pills along with the other varieties other than brewing or eating the tea leaves, these even render fewer flavonoids and nutrients. Brands make these items by incorporating processed ingredients along with the other additives that serve as fillers. It would be far better to consume green tea 2 to 3 moments every day than swallowing green tea pills every week. All around, eating whole tea leaves would be the very best strategy and it is generally cheaper delivered that you possess the right farms and growers to accessibility. The value variance is mainly because of the processes like drying, fermenting, and packaging. All leaves originate from one particular plant, the Camellia sinensis, regardless of their location disorders, and visual appeal. Commence in search of suppliers online who can ship you the leaves at very simple price rates inside of a short span of time.